how to remove watermark from an image for free. What's up guys, in this video I will turn this watermarked image to this fully watermark remove HD image, and the best part is 100 for free.
Okay then, let's do it.
First thing first, open the any browser that you have and visit this website. In my case I have Chrome, and let me go to this website, watermarkremover.io. This is the website that we are going to use to remove watermark from our image. And in my case I am already in this website, and if you don't log in or don't create an account with this website, that you can create remove the watermark from one image. And if you sign up, which is completely for free, just you have to have a one email account and you can create multiple. So that's it. So let me upload the image watermark. In my case this is the image, and processing image is AI powered, and boom, this is how you remove watermark from an image. And just click on download. With this website you can turn any locality image into HD for free. If you go to this website, tap on this image restoration and turn this feature, you have to sign it with GitHub. If you don't have a GitHub account, I have a video that shows you how you can create a free GitHub account. It's completely for free, and actually it's for developer, and we are here for another reason, so that doesn't matter. And boom, authorize replicate. So all I have to do now is click on drop file icon here and upload the image that I want to increase the resolution of, or I want to turn this into HD. This is the image, and run. You can play with this feature here if you want more customization in HD image. And this is it. This to this. This is how you can remove watermark from an image for free and turn any kinds of low quality image into HD completely for free. If you like this video, like the video, comments your thought, and if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comments and share this video. I'll meet you in my next video. Peace out.